Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to my channel Simply Pallavi. Today, I want to show you the EFT technique for general wellness of your body and your mind in my personal way. The way I use EFT as a daily ritual and how is it different from the traditional EFT technique. So, stay tuned till the end, guys. It is going to be a short video but a very useful and informative video for you to practice EFT as a daily routine. Yesterday I have shown you the traditional way of EFT technique, the whole process from where to start and from where to end and how to use the positive affirmations. Especially it was a demo for anxiety relief, but as I've said, you can use it for anything you want, for any physical pain or any emotional pain also. For all those who have not watched my yesterday's video, I'm going to put a link in my description box. Please do watch that video complete so that you are aware about the EFT module, and then you can proceed with this shortcut of mine which I do follow as my daily ritual. So today I want to show you the difference between the traditional EFT technique which we have done yesterday, the whole process, and my way of doing EFT for the general wellness. Since I do it as a daily ritual of mine, so I do it bit differently. I do not put focus on the negative emotion, on the current negative state of my mind on that particular moment. I prefer to stay focused on the positive emotion. I believe that I have to feel like that the positive emotion is my current reality, and then I do the EFT tapping. So I'm going to show you the two shortcuts or the two methods which can help you to perform EFT as a daily ritual. Since we're going to start it from here in the traditional EFT also and in my way of method too. That has to be the same. All the meridian points and all the tapping has to go in the same sequence. The only difference would be in the positive affirmations. Yesterday I've told you you have to tap here at least thrice. You have to call aloud, even though I feel anxious or even though I have a pain, I deeply and completely accept myself. Instead, since I do it daily, I only and only say I'm happy, I'm loved, I'm happy, I'm loved, I'm happy, I'm loved. I try to call only and only the positive affirmations, and I try only to attract the positive energy as a reality of my current state. Then the same happy and loved, 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 happy and loved. And the birthday song, you have to hum the birthday song, and then again 1 to 5, 5 to 1, and then again close with the humming of the birthday song. This I do it daily as a ritual, and it actually gives a lot of positive energies. It's like you are storing the positive energies you're calling for by tapping in every tapping point. So it's very effective and it's very soothing. Try to do it especially in the morning hours as your daily ritual, or in the night time whenever you're going to sleep. So it actually locks up the positive energy. The second method, it's even a shortcut of my first method. What you can do if you are in public, if you are somewhere when you cannot do the entire EFT process, but you are feeling anxious, or you are feeling little confused, or you are feeling worried about something, just try tapping on your karate chop point for at least 40 to 50 times. It is actually happens in the TFT, that is thought field technique, but you can use it as a shortcut also. It generally works. It works for me. And of course you need not to count, you just only need to say the positive affirmations. I'm happy, I'm confident, I'm having a great meeting tonight, or today I'm delivering a better presentation today. Whatever is bothering you, just keep on tapping and say aloud the affirmation in a present tense form as your reality, and just store it in your body through it. It actually works. It gives you an instant energy, instant boost, instant confidence to deal with the any of the sort of issues or any sort of problems you are going through at that particular moment. Try this out, guys. It is very, very effective and absolute shortcuts and proven shortcuts. It does work on me, so I'm sure it's gonna work on you also, provided you have a deep faith and believe and hope that this is going to work for you. Let me know also in case what is your experience, good or bad, effective or not effective. Not effective, I'm sure it is not gonna happen with you, so try it and let me know too. Keep healthy, stay healthy, and keep tapping, guys. It's very, very, very effective. Take care, guys. Bye bye.